The message that saved my motivation. I almost gave up on everything I was working for. I was burnt out, tired of creating, posting, and feeling like no one was really watching my content. I started thinking maybe content isn't just for me. Then I got a message in my DM, just a few words. Please don't stop. I love your videos. And honestly, that one message hit different. It reminded me that even if only one person is watching, that's still a community. That's still someone I have impacted. And that matters a lot. So if you're thinking of quitting, please don't. You have no idea who you are inspiring. Even in silence, someone out there needs your story. I decided to make baga soup this weekend. So guys, what will you be making this weekend? Kindly drop it on the comment section. Please don't forget to like, follow, share this video and follow for more. I'm wishing you a very happy weekend. I love you. I appreciate you. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye.